Hey everyone! If you want to upgrade your home security this year, a video doorbell is a must-have. But with so many options in 2026, it can be tough to choose the right one. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best video doorbells, starting from number 1 all the way to number 5. We'll cover video quality, AI detection, ease of installation, subscription fees, and real-world use so you can make the perfect choice for your home. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. REOLINK Video Doorbell Wi-Fi Camera. 2K Ultra Clear Video, Dual Band Wi-Fi, and a tall 4:3 aspect ratio for a full head-to-toe view of visitors and packages. It supports local storage, smart detection, and best of all, no subscription fees. The moment you check the video feed, the difference is clear. The 2K resolution makes faces, packages, and even small details visible. The vertical 4:3 view is perfect for seeing packages on the doorstep without tilting your camera. Installation is a bit more involved since it's wired, but the reliable connection and consistent performance make it worth it. Notifications are fast, and smart detection works accurately. It can distinguish people, motion, and deliveries. Pros: Ultra clear 2K resolution, smart person detection, no monthly fees, local storage support, reliable wired connection. If you want the best overall performance and the clearest video quality without paying subscriptions, the REOLINK doorbell is your number 1 pick. Number 2. eufy Security Wireless Video Doorbell E340 Kit. This is a premium wireless doorbell featuring dual cameras, one for faces, one for head-to-toe views. It has AI motion detection, delivery guard, and can operate without any subscription. Battery life is strong, and it's fully wireless. What sets this doorbell apart is the dual camera system. You can see visitors' faces clearly and also spot packages at the doorstep. The AI detection is smart and reliable. It reduces false alerts from pets or passing cars. It's slightly more expensive than others, but if you want smart security with wireless convenience, this is perfect. Setup is fairly easy, just make sure you position it at the right height to maximize both camera views. Pros: dual cameras for full coverage, smart AI detection and delivery guard, no subscription fees, excellent battery life. Best choice for smart security enthusiasts and those worried about package theft. Number 3. Wireless Smart Video Doorbell Intercom System. This system combines a 1080p camera with a 7-inch touchscreen monitor, motion detection, and app control. No subscription required. It's a hybrid between a traditional intercom and a modern smart doorbell. This doorbell is ideal for users who want both a physical monitor and smartphone control. It's user-friendly, especially for older family members who prefer a screen over a phone app. Motion detection works well, and alerts are fast. It's a practical hybrid solution, not the most advanced, but reliable and straightforward. A good option if you like the best of both worlds, in-home monitor plus smart app notifications. Pros: physical monitor plus smartphone app, easy setup and use, motion detection alerts, no subscription required. A solid mid-range option, perfect for users who want simplicity and hybrid functionality. Number 4. Wired Video Doorbell Intercom System, Dual Monitors. This is a wired intercom system with a 1080p doorbell camera, dual indoor monitors, night vision, remote unlock, and two-way audio, designed for apartments, villas, or offices. This system is more than a doorbell. It's a full intercom system, perfect for homes where you want remote door access and monitoring. The wired setup ensures a stable connection and zero lag. Pros: dual monitors included, remote door unlock feature, stable wired connection, great for multi-room use. Best for security-focused setups rather than casual home use. Number 5. Wireless Smart Video Doorbell System, 7-inch touchscreen. This is a budget-friendly wireless doorbell with a 7-inch touchscreen, 1080p video, motion detection, and two-way audio. No subscription needed. It's a simple solution for homeowners who want basic security without fuss. The touchscreen is handy, making it great for users who don't want to rely solely on smartphones. Pros: affordable and simple, includes 7-inch touchscreen, easy wireless installation, no subscription. A good entry-level option for simple home security. And that's a wrap on the top 5 best video doorbells of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews. All the products I talked about are linked in the description so you can check out current prices, deals, and more details. Which video doorbell do you think is the best for your home? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.